Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will listen the stories that include and recount text because they talks about the past event or experience that the writer feels. Listen it carefully and fill the blanks. The first story is Holiday with my family. Last weekend, I decided to go hiking with my parents. We had planned this trip for weeks, and finally, the day arrived. We started our journey early in the morning to avoid the heat. We went there by a jeep and were guided by a man who has much experience about hiking. The way was challenging, but the scenery was breathtaking and made me very surprised by its beauty. We saw beautiful waterfalls, lush green forests, and various wildlife along the way. Halfway through, we took a break and had a small picnic by a serene lake. After resting for a while, we continued our hike and reached the peak by noon. The view from the top was absolutely stunning. We took some photos, videos, and enjoyed the moment before heading back down. It was an exhausting yet exhilarating experience. I was glad I could spend quality time with my family and enjoy nature. Hiking has now become one of my favorite activities. It has given me many lessons that nature is very important for us and animals. The second text of the recount text, the title is My Imagination in the Last Night. Last night in my grandmother's house, I had the most amazing dream. I found myself in a magical forest filled with glowing trees and sparkling rivers. As I walked through the forest, I encountered a talking horse who guided me to a hidden cave. Inside the cave, there were countless treasures and a map leading to a secret and beautiful island. The horse and I decided to follow the map. We sailed across the shimmering ocean on a boat made of leaves and arrived at the island, which was inhabited by friendly fairies. They welcomed us warmly and showed us around. We played games, taking videos and photos, and enjoyed a grand feast. Before I knew it, the sun began to set, and the fairies helped us return to the forest. Just as we were about to part ways, the rabbit handed me a glowing stone as a keepsake. When I woke up, I found the glowing stone on my grandmother's bedside table. Although it was just a dream, the experience felt so real and enchanting. I will never forget my magical adventure in the dream with the horse that I met. Thanks a lot for practice here. The more we practice, the more we increase our skills. Thanks a lot. Alhamdulillah.